y'all, so I am back with another wig video for you dolls. This is the wig that I slayed today. I hope the lighting is good because I didn't pull out like my extra lights that I use to like light up the background. This hair is from My First Wig. So this is just a quick run through of what I'm doing. So I'm just placing the wig on my head. I have an elastic band in there, so it really helps the wig to fit nice and snug. So what I'm gonna start doing is just combing the wig out and everything. This is how the back looks, so you guys can really see it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start clipping the hair up out of the way so I can start curling it from the bottom up to the top. So I'm just going to start with that back section and lightly bump it with my large flat iron, which is from Vanity Planet. I love this flat iron. I'm always using it. I will link it down below for you dolls if you're interested. So I'm just going to start bumping the hair, flat ironing it out to get it nice and smooth and everything. So just starting off with the back and working my way up. It's pretty repetitive, but I just wanted to do a voiceover just for anyone who wanted to know more info. You can see Versace in the mirror over there. So yeah, so I just work my way all the way around on the back layer, and then I go ahead and take some more hair down and, you know, clip up the top. I also did get a heat comb or a hot comb, and I am using this on my wigs now. This is something new that I just got, so it does really help to get the wig nice and flat, especially at the top. I still do like to do like my foam lotion or my wrapping foam and tie it down. That also helps as well, but using a hot comb will really help you, and it works really fast. But if you have one like me, honey, make sure you turn it off because it will stay heating up and it will burn your hair. So I'm just going through and still flat ironing it and bumping it as well. And I'm just going back and forth with the hot comb and everything. Here you can see that I am parting the hair where I want to put my part at. And then I'm going to go ahead and clip the hair away. And then I'm going to go ahead and use that hot comb again just to get everything nice and flat in that area. If you get one of these, be very careful because you can burn yourself, and they get so hot that's going to be a nasty scar. So I'm just doing the same thing over and over, just getting the hair nice and flat and styling it the way that I want it to be. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of this gel and go ahead and put that a little bit on my edges in the front, just on this side, because that's the only thing you can really see. And I'm just fanning it, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick the lace right down to it. I didn't show you guys, but I did tie it down for a little bit with my scarf so that it could go ahead and dry. And then after it is dry, then you can go ahead and pull your hair out for your baby hairs and go ahead and start to tame everything down. I'm using a little bit of the Flyaway Tamer that came with it. And this is basically like a wax stick. I have something similar, and it works really good to just get those baby hairs to, you know, obey you and lay down the way that they need to. So I'm just using some of this. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my razor and cut my baby hairs. As you can see, I have very little baby hairs out, and it just looks really nice and natural. And I'm also going to take my razor comb and do a little bit of layers on my bang as well. And then this is the finished results after I flip the hair back and everything. So let me just go ahead and say this. I really like this wig because it really looks like a real haircut, like it's your real hair, and it looks like a wrap. Like, I really like the look of it and the cut of it and everything. So I'm going to insert footage of everything that you get with the box and all of the items that come in the packaging. So this is the box that the wig comes in. Really nice, sleek black box. And then you also do get a wig stand that you can put your wig on whenever you're not wearing it. Your wig does come in this garment type of bag, which is pink, so cute. And then also your wig will be inside. This is the wig. It's been washed and everything after bleaching the knots. And this is a close-up of how it looks at the lace and everything. And then also you do get wig caps with your wig. You get 2 in there, and then your specs. And then you also do get this bag, which has some different products in it. They also did send me this Flyaway Tamer. You can purchase this separately on the site. And it's kind of like a little deodorant stick, like a wax stick for your hair. And then also inside of this bag, you do get a lot of really good things. So the first thing that it comes with is an elastic band. This is always a must for me. You also get a rat tail comb. I love the ones with the metal end. You also do get 2 hair clips and some hair pins as well. So there's the other clip, and then you also get an instruction manual. So that's everything that comes inside of the box. So yeah, that's everything that you get with the wig. So I will tell you guys the specs of this wig. I did use the elastic band, and this is what I had left, so I can use this for another wig or whatever. And these are the specs on this wig. The name of this wig is the LFW008. The order number is B15. The texture of this hair is silky. The length is 10 inches. The hair color is the same as the picture, which is a number 2 and a number 99J. So this burgundy type of color is 99J. And then this top part is a 2 instead of a 1B. So it's like a really dark brown. And then also the cap size is a cap size 1, which is 21.5 to 22 inches. And then also the cap construction is a lace front wig. It's not glueless, so you do have to glue it down, which I really didn't. You will see in the video I only put a little bit of gel in this area to hold it down. And then the lace color on this is a light brown, and the lace looks really nice. I didn't even put any powder in the part. I think everything looks really good. I did bleach the knots on this wig. Another thing that I did notice about this wig whenever I bleach the knots is that the knots on this wig are so tiny that it's going to make the wig look more natural, because I've been doing a lot of wig videos and stuff lately. So I've noticed that on some other wigs, the knots on them are really big, which means that they put more hair into each grid and tied it off. So the knots are really big, and even after you bleach them, you will sometimes still be able to see them unless you really cover them up with powder and stuff like that. But with these being so small, it really looks like it's your real hair growing out of your scalp. And the knots are super easy to bleach, and I feel like it just makes the wig look way more natural. So these are definitely great quality wigs. I love My First Wig, especially because it does come with all these items. This is my first time doing a review for My First Wig. This packaging is super cute. I love this to keep my wig in whenever I'm not wearing it. And I do also like that they give you items to go along with it. So if you don't have everything at home, you're okay. The only thing that I know that I need personally for a wig is a pair of scissors. And I did use my razor comb to cut some layers into the bang area, but you can also use shears for that. So you want to have a pair of scissors handy, or a razor or something, because you are going to have to cut the lace off of your wig, and then you may also want to cut it a little bit to face frame it or whatever the case may be. But I love this wig. I think it came out so good. It looks so natural. I love the color of it. I've been trying a lot of different fun stuff with my hair lately. And yeah, I didn't know how I was going to style this hair. I kind of wanted to do a middle part again, but I just did that previously with a bob. I'm sure I will do it eventually. But I have a burn on my forehead right now. You can't see it really because I got the lace kind of over it, but I didn't want to put any glue on it and irritate it at all, because I'm just letting it heal up. So I figured this would be the best style for me to do. As far as the perimeter goes, and if it was plucked or not, it did come pre-plucked, and I did pluck it just a little bit more, but it was already plucked really good to perfection. I just plucked out a few more hairs, but this wig is so cute. I love it. I've never really did like a bob in this color. I think I tried it a while ago, but I didn't have it all the way up like this. It was just like probably at the bottom. I've never really tried this type of burgundy color on a bob, and it does kind of have like a purple tinge to it. Like, it's definitely burgundy, but I can kind of see like some purple in it a little bit. I am going to turn around and show you guys the back. I haven't even seen the back, so don't kill me if it's not perfect. I just love this wig so much because it really looks like you went to the salon. Like, the haircut is amazing First of all, the haircut is so great. And then also on top of that, it looks like, you know, your natural hair, like you just got your hair colored. You got you a nice haircut and a nice wrap or whatever. Like a silk press or whatever. Like, oh my God, I just love this wig so much. And then I just did a little bit of baby hairs right there. And bam, your girl is good to go. So yeah, this is this wig. If you guys have questions, leave them down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.